In this video, we see a model based on the Phantom 14B, which is a subject to LoRa model. It can generate videos by referencing one or multiple images, and the generated videos maintain high consistency with the input images. There are two more updates. One is the acceleration update, which can speed up the generation process of our 0.2% model by 9 times. Compared to the previous 3-step model cost video, I conducted multiple tests, and the results show that the quality is better with stronger dynamics while maintaining almost the same speed. Then let's look at the workflow. I'm using the RunningHub online Convey AI platform here. The implementation is based on the visual process of Phantom 1.3 BKJ. Starting from a familiar place, our model shows that the first block swap is higher because we're using a 14B model here. The text encoder supports Chinese. There is an input field for men and forks that can be directly expressed in Chinese. A man waves a trident. The 4 common gains, I've set up 3 of them. Boost video SCLG and CFG 0 star. Star T didn't start with a reason, but it has a unique property. In models that generate videos highly consistent with input images, consistency is crucial. However, Star T actually weakens this consistency. When the value is too small, the effect isn't obvious. When it's too large, consistency decreases. So I think we can skip using it. In the new node, we'll encode our input images and feed them into this node. We can input up to 4 images here, encode them, and also set the frame rate. Let's look at the encoding process. 2 input images, I want the person interacting with the trident. Unlike VAE, which concatenates 2 images side by side, Phantom encodes both images. Other than that, there's no difference. Place the reference image on a white background to reduce other elements' influence on the model's reverse guidance. This should already be common knowledge. What we need to do is extract the object or character using SAM2. You can replace it with any other segmentation tool, then assign it a white background and resize it. Here we apply a unified constraint, like the official training resolution of 848 on 480. Both images are this size, so the generated video will also be this size. If you want to add more images, just copy and paste this section. Also make sure to merge it into such a latent collection. The results are very good. Previously, Phantom had a 13B model, but my experience wasn't great. However, this 14B model ranked first for me. The VSE model does support multi-image references, but its quality isn't as good as Phantom's. Testing this model with an acceleration model didn't work well, so I don't recommend using it. For example, if you run a task with width 5660, height 1120, and 61 frames, it takes about 25 to 30 minutes. That's the cost. Navigate to RunningHub AI or click the link in the description to register and get 12 HP daily. Logging in each day gives you 100 points for corresponding AI workflows and one-click AI apps, all deployed online for testing. If you often use Key's One Video plugin, just update One Big Model. One Video models can also be downloaded from here. I'll also post one in my description. Now let's compare Cosmo with One Video. Why 10 steps? Because 10 steps are